Alright, so now ang pag-aaralan natin ay the chain rule. Yung chain rule, ito yung mas mabilis na paraan kung paano mas-solve yung isang polynomial function pero naka-raise siya by any kind of power. Now, para mas maintindihan niyo ako, ganito yung example. In your module, ang binigay doon ay y equals the quantity 5x cubed minus 2 raised to 4. Now, polynomial, raise. Ibig sabihin ng raise, naka-quantity both ends. Raised by any power. Now, that's the time magagamit mo yung chain rule. Yung chain rule, similarly, kay power rule, may pagkakapareha sila. Like, ibababa mo yung exponent. Alright? Tapos mababawasan ng isa. 5x cubed minus 2. 4 minus 1, it becomes 3. Pero hindi lang nagtatapos nun. Alright? Yun yung power rule. Now, ang chain rule, may kadugtong siya na derivative nung polynomial na binigay. Alright? Ulitin natin. Ibaba mo yung 4. Then, bawasan ng isa. Ayan na siya. Raised to 3 na lang. Then, derivative nun. Multiplied by its derivative. Ano ba ang derivative niyan? Siyempre, gagamitin mo yung power rule. 3 times 5, 15. Minus 2, ay minus 1 squared na lang. So, it's gonna be 15x squared. Constant is 0. No need to. Right. And after that, i-combine mo lang yung pwedeng i-combine. Monomial to monomial. Hence, your answer will be 4 times 15 is 60, meron pa siyang x squared times 5x cubed minus 2 raised to 3. Yan yung kanyang derivative. Ito, ang derivative nan ay ito. Using chain rule. Ganun lang ka simple. No need to expand. Alright? No need. It is considered as correct na rin. But if you wish to expand, okay lang naman. Now, dyan din yung paraan para ma-solve din yung mga radical function. Polynomial function na in radical form. Like for instance, y equals square root of 4x plus 1. Yung 4x plus 1, yan yung buong radicand. Now, pag nire-write mo yan into exponential form, magiging 4x plus 1 quantity raised to, ang square root, pag kinuha mo into exponential form, that is 1/2. It means applicable siya using the chain rule. Polynomial function of any power. Walang sinabi kung positive, negative, or fraction. So, pwede siya sa lahat. So, gawin mo na yung paraan nun. Para makuha yung kanyang derivative, ibaba mo yung 1/2 times, babawasan ng isa, 4x plus 1 raised to 1/2 minus 1. 1/2 minus 1. Paano yun isolve? Di ba ang kanyang LCD ay 2? Pag parehas, copy. Pag wala, times. 2 times 1 is 2. So, negative 1/2. Ang 1/2 minus 1. Next, times. Hindi pa tapos yun. Times the derivative of the inside number. So, 4x, derivative ng 4x ay 4. And then, ayusin mo lang. So, numerator to numerator. 4 times 1 is 4. Times, etong natira, 4x plus 1 raised to negative 1/2 all over 2. Tama ba? In this case, 4 and 2 ay divisible by 2. So, cancel si 2. 4 becomes 2. And by the way, since negative yung exponent mo, pwede mo siyang ilagay sa denominator para maging positive. So, ano na yung sagot? 2 over 2 na lang. Kasi ito, ibababa mo. Natitira yung 2, ito ibababa mo sa denominator para maging positive yung exponent. So, 4x plus 1 raised to positive 1/2. Pwede na ba yan as the answer? Pwede naman, pero much better kung isusulat mo siya. Kagaya ng ginawa natin kanina, yung square root pwede maging 1/2 raised to 1/2. Vice versa, yung 1/2 pwede maging square root. So, pwede siyang 2 over square root of 4x plus 1. So, ito yung binigay. Ang derivative niya ay ganyan.